In this tutorial, we'll cover some of the AWS services with Terraform. So let's start by grabbing this thing here and type Terraform validate. So we don't have any errors for now. Let's try the VPC first. All we need is these two pages. This one for the basic commands for the Terraform CLI, and this one for all the others that we need. So let's look for the VPC. So AWS VPC, come down here, get the VPC from here. This is the resource, copy it and paste it here. Let's make some changes. The reference to test_VPC and the IP, I'll do 26. I will remove this line, and in here let's tag it with the same reference. So VPC, save and validate. Okay, no errors. Let's go and look for the internet gateway. In here, AWS internet gateway, copy this whole thing and paste it down here. Let's change this to test_internet gateway, and in here let's reference the VPC. So test VPC, change the tag to test_internet gateway, save, validate. Everything looks okay. So let's look for the route tables. I'll come back here, I'll look for the route tables. I'll copy this whole thing and paste it under the route tables. In here let's make some changes. Test_route table, refer to VPC, test VPC, and for the route, this is the gateway, so we'll do 0.0.0/0, and the gateway, let's reference the gateway in here. So test internet gateway, and for the route table we don't need this one. This is for the IP version 6. Let's change the name to test_route table, save, validate. Cool, no errors. Let's do the subnets now. Come here and look for the subnets. Here we have the subnets. Copy this whole chunk and paste it here. Change the reference to test underscore, and this is the SP subnet. The VPC ID is test VPC, and the route table is the subnet IB will be 10.0.0.20. let's do 28 slash 028. Yeah, that looks okay. Change the tag to test_sp, save, validate. No errors. Let's look for the subnet association. Come here and type route table association. That's the one. Copy this whole chunk and paste it here. Change this thing to test underscore, and let's do subnet association. For the subnet ID, let's refer to test subnet. For the route table, let's refer to the test route table. Save, validate. No errors. Let's do the security group. Come here and look for the security group. Under the VPC, we have the security groups. Copy this whole chunk and paste it down here. Since it's the security group, no need for the outbound rules. It's stateful. Let's change the reference to test underscore security group and keep the name, description, and refer to the VPC test VPC. And this is the inbound rules. So let's change this one to 2020 and this one to 2020. Change this name or the description to SSH and remove the IP version 6. And in here, let's put the IP. Let's put 0.0.0.0/0. Let's copy this whole chunk and paste it here. Now for the HTTP, change the port to 80. This one to 80. Keep everything as is. Change the name or the tag name to test underscore, what is this? Security group SG. Save, validate. No errors. Let's create an instance. Come here and look for the instances. Here we have the AWS instance. Copy the resource and paste it here. It changed the reference to test underscore n for instance and the image ID. Come back here, go to the AWS and take the image ID and paste it here in between quotation marks. The instance type is t2.micro and change the tag name to test underscore instance. Save, validate. Looks okay. Let's check the plan. This is the plan that the Terraform is going to follow to create the resources we required. So this is it for this tutorial. In the next one, we will see what happens inside of the AWS services.